Amazon brings its full Alexa voice assistant to any smartphone, with an update that adds Alexa to the existing Alexa application, through Android Police. Until now, it only allowed you to manage Amazon's Assistant on other devices. Amazon has partnered with companies to integrate its smartphone assistant before, but there were only a few devices, such as the Huawei Mate 9 or the Motorola Moto X4. Adding it to the Alexa application is the first time it will be available for free on almost any device. Fundamentally, Android Police reports that the phones will not yet be able to hear the Alexa command when the application is closed. So, unless you're willing to open the application whenever you want to conjure up Alexa, it's probably not super useful yet. At the very least, adding it to the freely available Alexa application increases the number of users the assistant can take advantage of, even if Amazon will not achieve the same level of hardware and software integration as the Google Assistant.